If your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi or if Bluetooth is frozen, I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your iPhone's network settings, okay? So for that, you'll start by tapping on Settings. On this page, go to the General option and tap on General. From here, scroll all the way down and at the very bottom, you'll see the option Transfer or Reset. Tap on that option. And here, to reset your network settings, tap on the Reset option, which is the first one. And now, in the second option, you can reset the network settings. In this case, by tapping on this option, all your Wi-Fi passwords, known networks, and Bluetooth settings will be erased. If you have an eSIM on your phone, your network and cellular data will also be deleted, as well as your Bluetooth settings, okay? So if you want, you just tap on this option, enter your password, and you will have reset the network settings on your iPhone, okay? I don't want to reset my iPhone's network settings, but that's the step-by-step process. You won't lose your photos, files, or anything else here. You're only going to clear the network settings on your iPhone.